What's up, amigos? Today we have the aerodynamics of Rodin's Thinking, or the Thinker, whatever it's called, I don't know. This one has a crack in it, by the way. And it's quite interesting, these streamlines show that the actual person itself, or himself, is significantly more streamlined than the actual rock that he's sitting on. You can see the rock itself, all these streamlines go around it and swirl around a lot, and that's because this is effectively just a cube. And it has very sharp edges. Sharp edges mean that you get flow separation happening all over the place, whereas the person himself, he's a lot more rounded as a human is, and so the flow stays attached a little bit better. Interestingly, near the left arm, the flow is being channeled through there, and then it like really expands as it comes out, and it loses velocity a lot, as fluid does when you expand it. Now we have the Y plane going through the thinker, and we can see that there are really just two main regions of huge wake. The first is from the rock. The second is from the guy's back, and that's usually what happens with people, like their backs are very wakey, especially if you're massive like me. And then the fluid going around the shoulders actually accelerate quite a lot because they are fairly rounded, and you can see the back is a little bit rounded, so that means that the fluid is going to stay attached much better and have to accelerate because it's going over a curved surface, and that's called the Coanda effect. And then through the arm, the fluid does accelerate a little bit, as we mentioned earlier in the other streamlines, but then as it gets past the left arm, that little hole there, it then has to expand, and then it decelerates, loses a lot of speed. And these streamlines show the animation of the fluid, and it shows a few different things that I was mentioning. First, how wakey the rock is. There's just so much recirculation behind it. It's terrible. But then the fluid that goes through the left arm hole, you can see how it just gets redirected, and there's real expansion happening. So that's in the simulation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Atmosphere Hawk to make your experiments more accurate and your CFD more accurate, because the validation will be more accurate. Link in the description. Peace out, amigos.